Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Shopify Plus, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify Plus account. Navigate to the settings section found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on billing to access your current billing information. Review your current subscription plan and any additional apps you are using. Set a monthly budget based on your expected sales and operational costs. Consider fixed costs like your Shopify Plus subscription, payment processing fees, and app subscriptions. Estimate variable costs such as shipping, inventory purchases, and marketing expenses. Use the data from your previous sales and expenses to inform your estimates. Create a simple spreadsheet to outline all your expected income and expenses. Break down your budget into categories for clarity. Track all your transactions to ensure you stay within your budget. Regularly review your budget every month to make necessary adjustments. Update your budget based on seasonal sales trends and promotions. Consider using Shopify's built-in analytics tools to monitor your sales performance. Utilize third-party budgeting apps that integrate with Shopify if necessary. Seek advice from financial experts or Shopify Plus representatives if needed. Stay disciplined and committed to following your budget for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.